Let's put on a wig together. First, I'm gonna clean off the lace. Headband off. Now, I have a show to do tonight, so this is not a method for everyday wearer because you might die. So, we're gonna take our vinyl tape and we'll go all around the hairline to secure that cap down. Fuck. This is gonna hurt a lot later. I take one strip, I kind of yank my face up, the other strip, and I yank this side up and meet them in the back. Then this is the key right here. Using extension tape, cut off little pieces like this, put them all around the tape. Sometimes I do it on the back as well. I'm gonna secure the back of the wig. Then I'm gonna put my wig on like so. Take off the tape, center her. I took the filter off so you can see what's happening. Took this off here, secure, off, and secure. And she's giving scalp. Glue my wig down. I like to use Got To Be glue. And honestly, I just go spray and then dry. Spray and then dry. What filter? Where is the lace? Where is she? Over here. Let's get close. Let's get close. And that's how you do it.